Dear students of class 11th, subject business studies, our today's topic is government companies. Government companies is a type of public sector company. Government company is a company or an organization in which at least 51% of the paid up share capital is held by the central government or the state government or partly both by state and the central government. There are many government companies. Few of them are Steel Authority of India Limited, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, Coal India Limited, State Trading Corporation of India. The main purpose of their establishment is to do business and to compare with the private sector companies. Therefore, in a government company, government is the major shareholder, or so that it can exercise full control over the management. Shares of the government companies are held in the name of President of India. A government company means any company in which not less than 51% of the paid up capital is held by the central government or by the state government or partly by state and central government. This is the definition given by Indian Companies Act 1956. Government companies have some features. First, uh, before discussing the features, I will tell you there are two main objectives for the incorporation of public sector companies in India. Government company is one of them. To achieve more equity in the distribution of wealth and income amongst the citizens of the country. Number two, to gain the momentum in the growth of the nation. Now, the features of government companies. Number one, registration under the Companies Act. A government company is formed through registration under the Companies Act 1956 and is subject to the provisions of this act like any other company. Second feature, executive decision of government. A government company is created by an executive decision of the government without seeking the approval of the parliament or the state legislature. Third feature is separate legal entity. A government company is a legal entity separate from the government. It can acquire property, it can make contracts, and can file suits in its own name. Management next step is feature is management regulated by the Companies Act. The provisions of the Companies Act are regulated by the management of the company. Next feature is audit by the central government. Audit of the accounts is conducted by an auditor appointed by the central government. Its annual report is also laid in the House of the Parliament. Next feature is whole or majority of the capital provided by the government. The whole or majority, at least 51% of the share capital is provided by the government, but the revenue of the company is not deposited into the treasury. Next step, next feature is majority of government directors. Being in possession of a majority of share capital, the government has authority to appoint the majority of directors on the board of directors of a government company. Next feature is own staff. A government company has its own staff, except government officials who are sent to it on deputation. Its employees are not governed by civil service rules. The next feature is free from procedural controls. A government company is free from budgetary, accounting, and audit controls applicable to government undertakings. That's all for today. Goodbye.